Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name's Gina and today I have a Rocksbox to open for you. Yeah, you know I love Rocksbox. It's a jewelry subscription. So you pay $21 a month and then you can get however many boxes you want in a month depending on how long you want to keep and wear the jewelry. It's 3 pieces sent to you every time. They are done by a stylist, you know, kind of suited to you. This time I did not get the preview. I didn't look at the preview. I didn't see what she said. Normally I'll screenshot that. I'll see if I can find it for you so I can read the little note from the stylist. But yeah, I love this subscription because where else can you get, you know, new jewelry? You can decide if you want to keep it. The $21 is credited to you. It's such a great way to keep your jewelry fresh and not be wearing the same thing over and over again. You can wear it once, send it back, and immediately get another box. They have wish lists. You can go on there and say, oh, I want this, oh, I want that. As a matter of fact, just the other day, I saw that Kendra Scott had put out kind of a Halloween line. And, you know, her classic Kendra Scott pendant had little cat ears on it. So I wished for that one. Hopefully I'll get it. If I do get it, I may not be able to send it back. I may have to keep it. We will see. So I did want to tell you a little more about Rocksbox. Go to my cheat sheet over here. You know I have to have a cheat sheet. Send you 3 pieces, $21. Keep them for as long as you like and then send them back with the envelope they come in. If you use my link below, your first box is free. So yeah, no risk to you. If you don't like what they send, you can send it back, cancel it, whatever you want to do. I think that's great. I love it when they let you try something free on the first go. So it comes in the bubble. It's resealable, like they said, so you can send it back in that. And then it comes in a secure box. Hey, gorgeous. And this, of course, has the care instructions on the back. This says enjoy this time, little sticker. All right, I'm not seeing where the note was. I guess I just missed it. It's probably just in the preview. Or I could just not be finding it because I'm having a really bad day. But I did notice I had some forever credit, so thank you to whoever used my link. I really appreciate that. It does help me keep bringing content to you. Thank you so very much. All right, so let's pop it open. And it looks like this inside. They have your 3 pieces of jewelry and also your return label and price sheet here in the bottom. Now there is a retail price and then there's a member price to each of these pieces. You do get a discount, and the more jewelry you buy, the more points you get. You go up tiers and you get deeper discounts with your Rocksbox. And of course, if you keep all 3, you get $10 off. Stock up sale, $20 off. My Rose Gold Award credit, $5.25 off. My Forever credit, $35. That would take my $105 total of what everything is worth and put it at, and give me $80.25 off, which would mean I could keep everything for $44.75, which I think is wonderful. I've got SLATE and perrysrteet in here. Let's look at them. Cute little bag. They recommend if you do need to wipe your jewelry off for any reason that you use these bags to do it. Y'all, look at these leaves. Oh my goodness. I love that little leaf motif. So very cute. All right, let's stick them in. I think a leaf motif will go with my camo bottoms today. All jewelry is sanitized before it comes to you, so you don't have to worry about anything like that. That's cute. That's really cute. This is perrysrteet, by the way. I'm sorry I didn't tell you anything about it. I got distracted by the cute little leaves. These are Kenzie Drops in gold. Their retail price is $45 and my price would be $38. So cute. Oh, I might have to keep them. Also, I do like your opinion. Let me know if you think I'm keeping something I shouldn't. Or, of course, you know, it's whatever I want to wear, but I love to hear what y'all would wear, what y'all think of what everything looks like on me. I love to hear it all. So, ooh, oh. I love how they send the necklaces in these long bags with the little zip top, and then they put the chain just hanging out a little bit. It keeps them from getting tangled, which is awesome, y'all. Oh my goodness. This is darling. This is very me. Look at that. Look at the beautiful colors in there. Oh my goodness, it's marbled. It's got the gold top. I really hope the camera's doing it justice because this is just gorgeous. But it does have this one little stone right up at the top. Now, it is adjustable, so you can put it at whatever length you want. This is darling, y'all. Okay. Just darling. Woo, it's cold. Look at the cuteness. That is just too cute. Oh, I like this so. Yeah, I'm gonna have to keep everything. Shame on me. Okay, this is the SLATE York necklace in multi-resin. The original price is $35. My member price would be $29. That's cute. Oh, I'd pay $29 for that. Okay. All right. I'm in trouble, y'all. I'm in so much trouble. I was supposed to be cutting down this month. I don't think I have. I mean, I kind of did in a way. In a way. So, last piece of jewelry. Let's see what is inside of here. Oh, it's a bracelet. Okay. This is the SLATE Gia Cuff in gold. Original price $45. My price would be $38. So I believe that $20 credit is, they're having one of their stock up sales. So instead of the $10 for keeping everything, you get $20. See if I can get this on. I have to bend it a little. Get my chunky hand through there. They tiny, but they a little chunky. It's hard to get on. All right. Very cute. Very simple. Kind of like it too. I mean, I like the simplicity of it. You can really tighten it to however you want it. You know, if you wanted it looser, you could do that. I do like mine kind of tight because they just don't jiggle around as much. Very cute. I think Callie's dreaming over there. She's doing that twitching thing in her sleep. Very cute. I really like all of this jewelry. Y'all let me know what you think. Is this an keep them all box? Or is this a just wear them and have fun and send them back box? Or you think I should keep one piece? Let me know what you think I should keep. While you're commenting down there below, I would love it if you like this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your friends and press the notification bell. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.